Today, lovely people, I'll be making jungle braids. So I have my braiding hair ready. I'm just going to section it into smaller parts that I'll be using to feed in my jungle braids, also called butterfly braids. I'm going to part my hair into the section I'll be using, then I tuck in the rest of the hair. I'll part the hair into 3 equal parts.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel
So
like
I'm
it's
going to
Monday.
braid the hair first before feeding it in with braiding hair. I'm going to feed in some braiding hair like 3 times. This is the first one. Watch how I feed it in.
I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's
After I'm done adding my braiding hair, I'm going to braid one more time and start the butterfly pull out. When you start from your right, you skip one of the braids, then you move to the upper one and pull out the way I did. You braid 3 times again, then you count 1, 2 and pull out a braid ahead. Don't pull out the one close to your hand, pull out a braid ahead. So you keep on braiding 1, 2, 3 and you pull out again. 1, 2 and pull out. Make sure you are pulling out your braiding hair and not pulling out the natural hair itself. At this point, I'm going to feed in another braiding hair because as I pull out for the butterfly look, the hair reduces. So I'm going to add in a braiding hair and continue my pull out. Please, if you're watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more educating videos like this. For more hair tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Please support your girl and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and don't forget to like this video and also drop your comments. If there's any question you want to ask on making butterfly braids, please let me know down in the comment section. Thank you. Also, if you have a suggestion or a request for a hair tutorial that you want to see on my channel, drop it down in the comment section and I promise you I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to do a video on whatever hair tutorial you request for. Thank you.
tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
When I'm done pulling out the butterfly look, I'm just going to braid the hair down And we are done with the butterfly braids. I hope you learned one or two things from this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to drop a comment. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.